base jumping. Oh, so good.
So DJI sent me their latest Osmo Action camera to go and have some fun with it. First thing I did was create a makeshift ND filter to reduce my shutter speed for some of that sweet, sweet motion blur. Then we met up at sunrise with Ben and Mike for some downhill goodness. Even though the rock-steady stabilization is honestly incredible, I decided to use a gimbal in a few situations. I know it looks hilarious, but it allowed me to control the camera movements in a specific way that I'm used to. But also because I'm reducing the shutter speed so much, I don't want any unnecessary motion blur from my handheld movements. In front. That was epic. Then Matt and Keenan brought out their motocross bikes and Dawn strapped the Osmo to his FPV drone. It's getting dusty, boys.
Small fun first.
A great addition to the Osmo's ability to quickly change your mount between landscape and portrait. Ideal if you need to shoot for mobile. And now we're ready for some big whips. Big whoops, baby.
You can actually hear the wind like interfere with
So my antenna hit it like that.
Good morning. It's 5 a.m. Let's go climb a mountain. And up we went to meet up with my friend JJ. He's very fond of jumping off and out of things with a parachute. As JJ jumps off, Torn's gonna back off and fall with it. So I made my way down a little bit. Hopefully JJ dropping off his cliff face. We filmed a few running shots in between jumps and then strapped a pole mount to get an angle looking back at him.
super wide.
Now where's the drone?
2 hours later.
Yes!
She's intact, baby! Oh fuck, the lipo's about to explode.
That is not safe, kids.
Otherwise, you will.
Not too bad. And then we met up with Mark, and we spent the day sprinting around the city like he stole something. Right, we've come down to Maiden's Cove because look at that view.
The wrap for the parkour, hardcore parkour.
And the last thing to do was go for a dive in the freezing Atlantic.
Got the seals up on the rock here. The dudes are flowing with me. I've been accepted to the colony.